today I thought I would sit down with you and just give you an introduction to this painting here in the background and the process behind it. This is actually a study of a much larger painting that I'll be doing. That's a 4-foot by 6-foot painting. A few years ago, my husband and I had the opportunity to go to Yellowstone in the middle of winter. We actually spent Christmas there, and it was quite magical. There's nothing like Yellowstone in the winter. There's a lot less people. Of course, they do tours there, but you're gonna really have an opportunity to see wildlife. And we had an opportunity to see some elk and some bison and some bears and different things. This bison happened to be one from that trip, and talk about a beauty. He has nothing but muscle and power, and you definitely don't want to try to ever pet one of these animals because they're just not friendly. Initially, I composed this imagery on my iPad, then I transferred it to those ACM panels that you see here, and then I just painted. I really wanted to explore the color for this to make sure I had it just right and to make sure that it would work as a whole in a much larger scale. Enjoy this quick process video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I like doing these videos for these paintings to kind of explain the process behind them and where they kind of come from.